Hey everybody, I am here back at Disney again. Ashley and I from Pure Magic Vacations just checked into Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, and as usual I wanted to give you a very quick tour of our room. So this time we are staying in a preferred room. This is in building number 26, so it's very close to Old Port Royale, which is where the lobby, shopping, dining, all that stuff is. And we're kind of in a good spot here because we're very close to all of that, and we're also very close to Disney's Riviera Resort where the Skyliner station is. So it's actually closer for us to use the Riviera station here. There's also a bus station very close to the room, which is super handy. What else do I want to say? Oh, this is in the Martinique section of the resort. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I'll give you a really quick tour, and then we're off to Disney's Hollywood Studios. So here is our room. I actually just noticed that we have a ceiling fan, so that will be very nice for sleeping this evening. The room is very spacious, actually. We thought it had a lot of room, and it has one of these fifth sleepers. So this is a great room for a family of 5 because we have the pull-down bed just beneath the TV, just kind of like the room where I showed you at Disney's Riviera Resort last month. And we have a little sitting area, and because this is a corner room, we have lots of natural light. We have 2 windows there. And inside this cupboard, we have a fridge. You can see we've stocked it already. The usual parks channel and information about the resort, park hours, what's going on around here these days. Couple of drawers here. We've got extra pillows and blankets and things, and a little coffee maker. Everybody always wants to know what kind of coffee maker is in the room. So this one provides you with those little pods that have kind of like a tea bag, but it's coffee, and you put it in the top of the coffee maker, and it's very good. And then inside the bathroom, there is a storage area with some ironing if you want to iron while you're on vacation. And there's me. We have the classic split bath, just like most Disney resorts, so we can have family members out here getting ready while others are inside the bathroom. And a nice tropical shower curtain, and just standard bath, shower, and of course the H2O stuff on the wall. So great room for a family of 5. And yeah, we're really looking forward to our afternoon. We'll be going, I think our first fast pass is like in an hour for Tower of Terror. So hope to come back and have another video for you later this weekend, and hope you're having a great day. Hi Carolyn, hi Graham, love you, bye.